Hey guys, I'm Russell and this is an unboxing video of the Aduro Lounger. Now this is a universal adjustable neck mount for your cell phone. Before we start, hit that subscribe button and turn on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any future videos, and let's get into this. So first off, huge shout out to my buddy Travis, aka the Bearded Cycler. You can check out his channel as well if you so choose. He actually turned me on to this because he was at our local TJ Maxx and saw this and was actually going to buy it himself, but he didn't think that he would use it enough, and he immediately thought of me because this is kind of like the stuff that I like. So the box is a little beat up and I paid $6 on sale at our local TJ Maxx. Let's see if I can pull the sticker off and see how much it was before. $7.99, so it wasn't too much of a sale. But like I said, the packaging is a little janky. Hopefully the item inside is not ruined. So when you open it, okay, it's gonna be plastic wrapped like that. Ooh, okay. You're gonna get this Aduro Lounger spring-loaded cell phone holder, and you're also gonna get this, looks like a bendy tube. So you're gonna unbend it, and it is going to go something like, oh, okay. You're gonna put it on like that, and then you're gonna attach the cell phone holder like this, I guess. Hold on, let's see if I can get this on. Okay, it's gonna take a little force to pop it into place, but then you're gonna have that. Now, I'm actually using my cell phone as my camera right now because my camera is out of commission, but I do have my iPod Touch, so you're just going to stretch it into place, and you're able to essentially watch YouTube videos. Now, what I'm seeing is you're going to have a lot of give and take with this, so you can adjust it to your comfort level and your viewing screen. But as you can see, it does what it's meant to do. You're gonna have to play around with it to get the optimal viewing experience. But as you can see, my hands are free. My cell phone, my iPod, is within eye range. I don't know as far as your visual quality, how this will affect long-term use. One of the things I'm seeing is, if I can take it off, one of the things I'm seeing at the get-go is it's actually held on by the side. So if you shake it roughly, I feel like your phone would slip out. It should have been up and down like this, and you could definitely watch it in portrait mode if you're watching portrait mode videos, which kind of alleviates that, but most people watch in landscape mode, so just be careful of that. But for now, I think it does what it's advertised to do. I'm going to test it out and then get back to you guys. But if this is something you're interested in, definitely check it out. For $6, it was worth trying out and doing an unboxing video. But yeah, thank you guys for watching. Please give this video a thumbs up, and I'll talk to you guys later. Bye!